Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 2 stars. In this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 1st, 2020. We have here 2 stars Sudoku, 2 out of 5. So 4 Sudokus to go to solve, and this one will be number 1443. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level. Previous one has 27 printed digits. Let me count how many printed numbers in this Sudoku. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, 13, 15, 18, plus 5, 23, plus 3 is equal to 26. So 1 less than the previous one, as expected. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then in this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. There an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between the middle row. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see which number I will pick. How about the number 2? In this big square we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 numbers, we have a pair. Well, a pair. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 7. 7 is missing. We see here 6, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. Together with the 2, because we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. So 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 numbers in this column, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Here another pair. Here 2 and a 6. So these 2 numbers, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. It's a pair, so I mark them for you. It's easier to follow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing in the middle column and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This is a 6. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column. The only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about in this big square we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left. 2 and the 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. 2 and the 4 is missing in this row. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 6. Then. How about the number? Let me see. I'm thinking. This big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Three missing numbers in the first column. Those numbers are 1, 3, and the 9. We see here 3 and the 9, so no 3 and the 9 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 1. The 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark them for you, 3 and the 9. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 4 and 2, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4 and 2. Yeah. These 3 numbers, the 1 is missing, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 1, 4, and the 6. 1, 4, and the 6. 1, 4, and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 6 and the 4 is missing. It's up here. 6 and the 4. Let me mark them. That means 3, 9, and the 4. These two boxes are reserved for the 4 because we need a 4 here. Four in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. That means the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in one of these 2 boxes in the 3rd row, a 9 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 9 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes and there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this can't be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. A little bit difficult than the previous one. You can also see the time. I need more than 2 minutes than the previous one. I like this Sudoku. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon. In a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.